what's one way that discretionary traders could kind of deal with days like this? Well, relative strength, I kind of look at it as a beach ball that you're kind of pushing underwater. And the pushing the force down is kind of the market pushing your stock down. And when that lets go, quite often it will pop back up. So stocks that were pulled down just by market forces, but really weren't having that bad of a day, could reverse off of this news pretty quickly. Could, right? We obviously don't know for sure. But one simple screener here that I did with Infinviz, which is a free program, they have paid upgrades and all that, but for free here, you can just go, and I just clicked on their screener option, and I went, and very simply, you could just actually do a quick, stocks over whatever volume, kind of whatever you want, and then just go here and say, hey, anything that's up today, show that to me. That's going to give you a pretty big list. So what I did is I went into this industry button, and then I just grabbed software. And there's two of these, right? Software applications and software infrastructure. You could go in and look at both of those. But I just said, okay, show me everything that was up today in the software space, because we know most of the market did okay. Software got obliterated. So if there's going to be a relief bounce in software, some of these might be names to take a look at. Now, this one here that's just moving completely sideways, and this one here that's moving completely sideways, these are likely buyouts. It gives you some names here to go and take a look at and say, let me research these a little more, see if they fit my trading style, see if there's something that I could potentially do here. And then you could, again, go do the same and do software infrastructure, and that will update these as well. Just anything that didn't get participated. And this is something that I think is really interesting to do when the market kind of implodes, especially when it's sectors, is relative strength is kind of hard to find in up markets. It's very easy to find in down markets, because you just say, hey, what didn't get killed? And what didn't get killed probably is going to be more immune to what's ever happening here with the AI thing, or at least the market believes so. So might be a little bit of a shot to take there as well. So if you're a discretionary trader, or if you're looking for a discretionary trade to take off of this kind of crazy event that occurred yesterday, that's one way to look at it. What do?